Hello students, this is Ms. Taylor. I have here a PowerPoint presentation over converting in the metric system so that while you are at home, you will have this to refer to as you are doing your homework or any practice problems that I might give you concerning this concept. So as you know, the metric system is based on sets of 10 where each time you get ready to convert, it increases by a multiple of 10. The metric system is used by scientists all over the world, so mostly when we work with science, you will see that most of the unit of measurements are unit of measurements from the metric system. And do you remember King Henry? We talked about King Henry when we first started the lesson, so do you remember him? A way you can remember him is King Henry died unexpectedly drinking chocolate milk, or another mnemonic that we use is King Henry does usually drink chocolate milk. You will find many different mnemonics out there just as long as they are in this order, meaning the first letter of the word is KHDUDCM. You'll find many different mnemonics that are available to help you remember how to convert, and you'll see why that's important later. Alright, so here's how to convert within the metric system. A good thing to do is to create what this looks like here, sort of like a number line. You will have 7 marks on that number line. Okay, above that number line, you're going to write the letters of that comes from your mnemonic. So you would write the first letter of every word. So for example, king, K goes above this first ticky mark here. And then Henry, you would put H here, does goes here, usually here, drink, chocolate, milk. Okay, and this is how you would fill out your number line. Now right here, MLG, that is our basic units of measurement. So again, you know, the M, the L, and the G, they mean something. Okay, what you see right here is your unit of measurements and what they represent under each line. So the K represents kilometers, and the abbreviation for kilometers is KM. The H represents hectometers, and the abbreviation is HM. Now remember, it's not always meters. It depends on your unit of measurement. So again, the M is meter, the L is liter, the G is gram. And so what I'll do is I'll kind of go through, and what you see here is it gives you all the unit of measurements in meters, all the unit of measurement in liters, and all of them in grams. And remember what we did talk about in class is these aren't the only unit of measurement in the metric system. It's just the 6 most commonly used, so make sure you remember that. Alright, so if you see here 56 centimeters, how would we convert 56 centimeters to millimeters? If I want to know how many 56 centimeters is equal to in millimeters, what do I have to do? Okay, so here are some steps. So look at the problem, look at the unit that has a number on the device, put your pencil on that unit. Move to the new unit, counting jumps and noticing the direction of the jumps. Pay very close attention to the direction of the jumps because that's the direction in which you're going to move your decimal. Okay? So see, if I start at centimeters, I move to the right to go to millimeters. And that's just one example. So 56 centimeters is the same as 560 millimeters. There are more examples on this PowerPoint. You just go through it, and then hopefully if you need help, you can show your parents, and your parents can also go through it with you. There are about 3 other examples, on the PowerPoint that will help you as you are doing your homework. So I will see you in class, and if you need additional help or have additional questions, let me know when you see me. Bye-bye.